Hi everyone, it's Kristina from Kristina's Art Corner. Today I have a fun video for you, some great organization. Ohuhu reached out to me. Here's Shmoo. He'd like to say hello. Here he is, right here. They sent me this pen organizer. I wanted to unbox it with you and share a little bit about it. We all need some organization in our life, especially dealing with art. I'm gonna take this out of the box. Here we have it. I'll put the measurements up on the screen. Comes nicely protected, these plastic and the foam. It's supposed to hold 126 markers. The beautiful thing is that they actually sent me two. And I thought this would be a great opportunity to put some markers in here. I did buy a 120 set of the Ohuhu Honolulu series alcohol markers. And so I thought we could go ahead and fill one of these up. See how it looks. I kind of organized them a bit by color family, so we'll try to go with that. So I will start here and just start adding them in. This is an eco-friendly organizer. They do have 10% off for the next 3 months, and they've given me a code for you all if you are interested. Thought that was great. Okay, so that's all the markers, and of course you always get these little pamphlets in here for the Ohuhu markers, and then your coloring sheet to prevent bleeding. Okay, so let's stand it up. So they look very nice in there. You have paint up your inspiration. You have a little information on the back about stacking them. And I thought I would go ahead and show you how other markers sit in here. Let's do some Copics and see how they fit. Okay, so you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 this way, or if you didn't mind them being sideways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that way. And then I have some Spectrum Noir tri-blends. These are your light, medium, and dark. I love to use these. These they're hexagonal markers, and they'll fit in here too. They'll stick out more, but they do fit in here comfortably. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's keep filling them up. So they're versatile, I guess is what I'm trying to show you, that you Definitely they're made for the Ohuhu markers, but you can also use them for other markers that you have. I think I have. There we go. Let's see about Tombos. They're kind of tall. Yeah, you could fit them in here too. You can do a double layer. There we go. Okay, let's see what happens when we tip. Alright, let me just tip it back slightly so you can see how they look in there. So yeah, you can have any number of markers. You can get 2 layers on the Tombos. Your Spectrum Noir tri-blends will fit in there. Your Copic markers can fit either sideways or vertically. So together, if you had them like this, you could have 126 times 2. This is super exciting. The one that I have here, I'm trying to film with my other camera so that you can see the storage that I have here in front of me. Oh, I have other markers you could try. The Illustrators by Spectrum Noir. Let's see about those. Also hexagon. Let's see if I can fit one more in there. So if you wanted to see the colors, you would do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. Yeah, so those look nice in there too. So I think it's a very versatile organizer. It's wood versus acrylic. I think I like the wood better. I thought I would share this with you, let you know that it's available. All of the information is going to be linked in the description. But I think these are a really good solution. They stay in there well as I'm moving them around. Got the 2 of them. You can do this, or you can stack them on top of each other like this. The 2. So yeah, I think these are a really nice addition to an art room. If you are in need of organization, again, they're eco-friendly. And I have a discount code for you down below. So I hope this is something that interests you. I will look forward to hearing your thoughts about it. So leave a comment below if these organizers are something that you would be interested in. I think they're a nice addition for an art room for sure. Keeping things organized is nice for the brain. All right, everybody. I will see you in the next video. Happy coloring. Take care. Bye-bye.